we
All
go
over.
fast. Santa,
Not that.
come on and come back.
It's all over.
Santa,
No,
come
no
on
back.
back.
You need to get the cookies out of the oven.
Back.
Oh, I thought I heard it beep while ago.
Come around backly. Santa, oh Santa, come around quickly so we can open our presents in the morning. But Christmas is the time to remember about
This way, it looks like a pig with a hat.
God, whenever He made our hands, our wonderful things that done for us. But Santa, come around quickly. Quickly. Oh, Santa,
Something
come
like Saturday off
around.
Friday.
Come
Saturday
around
off.
back.
Yay! Good job.
So Santa, hurry up.
You can come.
So we can see the presents. Santa, come around quickly.
No. It'll take one more.
Okay, that's all.
Yeah, it won't cook right.
That was my last song.
Alright, hold on.
Good job.
Brayden.
But I only got one more song.
Okay, sing it.
But it's a really
No.
quickly
Okay, wait.
fast song.
Okay, wait.
Oh, not really fast. But it's just short.
No, harder.
He's trying to help, Mama.
Christmas.
Whoa. You have to go all the way. You can't just do the middle.
But this one is about this and.
Oops, Mama.
Oh, Santa.
Okay,
Riley.
please stop and wait for instructions, okay?
I
Because
know,
if you put
I
this
can
one right here in the middle, we can't fit as many other ones on there, okay? So, take your bell. Put it on the thing. Whoops.
Oh, it's broke. Hey, at least you can come up. Oh, it's still broke.
Here, let's let Carter do one so I can come down.
Whoa.
Off.
Hey.
Flower pants.
Carter,
Hey,
which one do you want? You want this one? You want this one? You want this one? You can't
He
have
wants
that.
his spatula back.
Thank you.
Okay, we're gonna make a cookie. Cookie. Say cookie. Say cookie.
Bunch of dough eaters.
Cookie.
Can we
Hold
make
on,
him do
hold
a
on.
star? Ooh.
Hey, Riley, let him choose. See if he'll choose one.
Now,
Okay.
now
Want to
can
do a
you
cross,
be more
a tree,
water?
or a stocking? Or a star? Which one?
Pick one.
Not that. Here. You know what? That's not a bad idea. Here. Put your hand on there. Put your hand on there. Now. Push it down. Alright.
Cool.
Well, that sort of works. Hold on. Let me see this.
Spatula.
Hold on.
Spatula. We're gonna need to press down hard.
That's pretty cool, boo-boo.
Santa will realize it. Maybe.
Good job, Boogies.
Yay.
Good job, Boogies. Say hi. Hey,
Say hi.
say hello. You say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Brayden, say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Riley, shh. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Can you say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
Yay. Can you see me? Merry Christmas.